Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Spider Guy here. Today's video is going to be the reveal, the unboxing. £90 mystery box, which we have right here off Uncle Dave. You all know him as Dave's Little Beasties. He's an absolute star of a man. So down to earth, and his wife, camera lady. Love her to bits. I would like to try and run off with her, but I don't think Dave would let that happen. But still, here you go. Right, let's get cracking on this and get this box open. So, I don't know. I have got a little knife somewhere, but I don't know what I've done with it. In fact, I've got several knives and I don't know what I've done with them. But we'll just get this cracked open and have a look what's in there. Hopefully I might be able to do with these tweezers. So right, that's that open. Alright, let's have a look what we've got in here. Well, the first thing I can see that there's plenty of, which I don't really want, but I've got them anyway, and that's packing peanuts. And I've just come across the first tub, so let me have a look what's in there. Right. Right, so in here, oh nice. Oh, nice. So in here we've got Chilabrachi's Nantanicharum, the electric blue, which is absolutely gorgeous spider. So that's what we've got in there at first. Well, nice. See if I can see this little fella. Yep. Just put this down a minute, you might be able to see. So he is just down there. So hopefully you can see him. But what a lovely spider. I do have one of them, but it's always nice to have a second one. Right. Next, get rid of some more packing peanuts. Right. Ooh. Little sling pot. And what we got in here? Ooh. Yeah, we've got a Phomictopus species, Dominican purple. That's priced at £30. So again, another awesome spider. He is quite a nice size as well. He's not tiny. So I'm really pleased with that one as well. I love these mystery boxes off Uncle Dave. Can't beat them. So that's a total of £45 so far. Then we've got... Oh, I can't even read that. But that's priced up at... Is that a P. regalis? I think that's a P. regalis. I might be wrong. I ain't got my glasses on, but if you guys want to have a look at that. I don't know if you can see what it is. Yeah. So that's the next one. Now the next two I can see are a bit bigger. So let's get this big one out first. Right, let's have a look. Oh. Sazamai, and it's a good size as well, and that's also priced at £30. I don't know if I should risk taking this off to show you, but I'll do it quickly. But there it is. So put that back on. So another cracking spider. I do have one of these already, but it don't hurt to have a second one. Right. No more little sling pots, but we do have a final spider here. And that is a Davos species. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is the arachnid something white tiger. Oh, that sounds a nice spider. See if we can see him. But can't see him at the moment. Oh, there he is. Just seen him. Little tiny little thing, but he is a nice little spider. So let's put this back on. I don't wanna end up losing him just thing, but that's what he is. Don't know if you guys can see that. So that is absolutely awesome. That's priced at £40. That one's priced at £20, so they're £60. £15, there's £75. £30, so there's £105. And last but not least is £15 again, so that's 120 quid's worth of spiders for 90 quid. Can't go wrong with that. I do love these mystery boxes off Uncle Dave, and I will carry on getting them off him for as long as he does them. You know, if there's spiders in there that I've already got, or triples or doubles, I'll probably end up putting them in a giveaway for people. But you know, it's always nice to be able to have a look, get surprised what you got in there. And I can't flipping fault them. I'm well happy with them. Brilliant. Now, if you do go to a show, I do recommend that you get a mystery box off Uncle Dave. It ain't got to be like £90. I think it does 30s, 60s and 90s. So, you know, do go and give them a try. They're well worth it. Can't go wrong with them. But, yeah, that's what I got in my mystery box, guys. So, I'll see you all soon. Everybody take care. A massive thank you to my subscribers. Massive thank you to my channel members. I wouldn't be able to get these boxes without you guys. So, thank you. Really appreciate each and every one of you. Anyway, I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Love you all. Bye.